We talk about reps coming out and burning their ships, so to speak. And whether it's real or not, there's the story about the conquistador who comes to the Americas and he says, we're going to conquer or die, and burns the ships in the harbor so that his fighting forces can't hop back on those ships and go back to Spain. They had no option but to succeed. And we take that same mentality here, and we even have a little burning ship ceremony at the start of the sales season. And we write down our fears and those things that might hold us back, and we go and we burn those, and we let it go. And at that point, it's conquer or nothing. And so the people that have that mentality, hey, I can let all this other stuff go. I'm going to really push myself. For lack of a better term, sometimes it's almost like a military boot camp in the sense that, once you go, I got to come out with the mentality. There's no going back. I got to do this, and I got to succeed, because when a hard day comes, and if I don't have that mentality, I'll go home and play Xbox, or maybe I'll just sit around today, or maybe I'll go do this. And then that just leads to another day and another day. But that person that says, you know what? I'm going to fight through this. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to knock another door. And I'm going to knock another door. And I'm going to, you know what? I'm not just going to knock this door. I'm going to make this next knock a sale. Because a sale is made on every door. Either the customer's going to sell you on why they don't need your service, or you're going to sell them on why they do. And the great thing about this is that the real successful people help customers understand the value of what our service does for that house. So it needs someone who has that tenacity and that courage to knock just that one more door.